The first question is from Abdul Karim, Pune, India. What is the meaning of Zakaatul Fitr? Can it be given to any poor person and can we give it as money? The second question, similar, from Muhammad Saeed from Ghana. Which is the best time to give Zakaatul Fitr? So Zakaatul Fitr means, the Arabic word zakat means to purify. And Fitr means the breaking of fast. So Zakaatul Fitr means purification of the breaking of fast. And this has to be given by every Muslim unless he or she is extremely poor or extremely miskeen without any provision. This Zakaatul Fitr cannot be given to any Muslim. It is specifically given to only those Muslims who are extremely poor, who are extremely needy and who don't have any provision. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said that give 1 sa of wheat or wheat grain to 2 people. That means for one person Zakaatul Fitr is half sa of wheat or wheat grain. And the Prophet said give 1 sa of dates or barley for 1 person. Now 1 sa approximately is 3 kilos. So Zakaatul Fitr is 1.5 kilo of wheat or wheat grain per person, or it is 3 kilos of barley or dates or oats or rice or similar per person. Zakaatul Fitr can only be given in the form of food. It cannot be given in the form of money. It has to be in the form of food. But you can give to an organization which collects Zakaatul Fitr and delivers it to the extremely poor and the needy people. This is possible. But directly to the poor person, money is not accepted. You can give to an organization who are organized and they see to it that at the right time they give this to the poor people. Zakaatul Fitr should be given before you pray the Eid Salah and can be given 2 days before Eid Salah. That means it should be given in these 48 hours. The earliest you can give, as the Hadith says, that some of the Sahabas gave 2 days before. So in this 48 hours, the Zakaatul Fitr should be given. And if you give it after the Eid Salah, it is not acceptable. It will be counted as normal sadaqah, but not Zakaatul Fitr. Zakaatul Fitr is especially purification of your fasting. So this has to be given just before the Eid Salah, so that those who are extremely poor, extremely needy and who don't have any provision, at least during Eid day, they have the food so that they can have a comfortable Eid. This Zakaatul Fitr, it is compulsory. And as I said, that it should be given in food and maximum 48 hours before the Eid Salah. And it should be preferably given in the area where you are staying. And if you are giving money, you have to calculate what is the cost of the thing equivalent. That much money you can give to an organization which sees to it that before the Eid Salah, they will give it to the right people who are extremely poor or extremely needy.